Hello, welcome to the workshop vlog episode 12. Now we're going to start with a change to the workshop. The workshop now looks like a mansion as I've removed the wooden shelf as there is progress on my workshop. So I have been doing a lot of sorting out, and this metal shelf that you see here is so much more tidy now. Got rid of all the old paints and things. Wooden shelf's gone. It's looking really good, and I can't wait for the new workshop. Now, this is probably going to get split into two parts, as I have a lot to talk about. I've got some new merchandise, I've got some websitey things, some bowls, some shout outs, new series. I've got way too much to talk about, so let's get started. So, I thought I would start this one off a little bit different to usual. So, I'm actually going to start with the new merchandise. So this is just for myself, but I have a Woodturners Blend notebook. So, when I'm doing the sales of Woodturners Blend and things, and the prices and marketing and things, sometimes I just write it on a scrap of paper and then I staple those together and then it goes in a folder, and to be honest it's a pain. It's all in different places, so I've got this new notebook so I can write everything down. And as I said in the last episode, because I had that £10 Vistaprint voucher, this essentially cost me about £5. It was 50p for the stuff and then £4.50 for delivery, which is quite a lot, but oh well. And I have loads of stuff here, but I also applied a 40% discount, so I got even more stuff. And I have a second one for somebody, and I will be contacting the person who is going to be receiving this very soon. I'm sure they know who they are. I won't say on the YouTube, but I'll contact them. And stickers. I got some Woodturners Blend stickers, given I had the voucher to spend, and it had to be spent. I literally had a day to spend it. Because I kind of forgot. I thought, why not just get some stickers? So every Friday, every Woodturners Blend order on the Friday, so that'll be from 12 o'clock the previous night all the way through till midnight, any order will come with a Woodturners Blend sticker and a Design and Make sticker. Now, I only have a very limited run of these. I only have 24, which sounds like a lot, but it's not really, when I'll also be giving them to people. So we're going to hack open these eventually, and we'll stick it on the sticker wall. I already have a Sorry Timbers sticker and a Design and Make sticker, and I'm hoping to get more. I will go to Maker Central next year and vlog that, and hopefully then I can get some more stickers. Right, I think we're finally into this packaging. It's like trying to open a Christmas present. It takes forever. Right, because I'm bizarre, I'm going to take the sticker out of the middle pack. Okay. And I'm also in my Design and Make polo shirt. Here we go. Oh, wrong side. Stickers are as follows. And I need to stick the Woodturners Blend sticker onto it now. So yes, these notebooks I'm really happy about. They came out really well, and I can't wait to start using them. I was going to get Design and Make one, but I thought I don't have any Woodturners Blend stuff, and I've already got quite a lot of Design and Make things. They're so small. Look, they're like a quarter of the size of my other ones. Right, let me just put this on and I'll show you. Didn't stick it on very straight. Oh well. Right, and I've taken it out the middle, as I said. Here we go. I don't know whether you can even see that. Yes, you can. There we go. Woodturners Blend, Sorry Timbers, Design and Make. Obviously the Design and Make one is the best because it's the biggest. These ones you can only just make out the hexagon outline if you look very closely, and that's fine, whereas these is a lot more prominent. If you want to buy some Woodturners Blend, I'll leave a link in the description down below. It's £3.99 and it's an ultra deluxe finish for all wood turning purposes. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to Instagram me or DM me or whatever, or you can ask in the YouTube comments. I will reply. And I'm going to be starting a YouTube channel for Woodturners Blend. It will only be like a video every month or two, but I don't feel it's really appropriate to put Woodturners Blend videos on Design and Make, because some people watch my videos for woodworking rather than wood turning. So I don't want to make a load of sort of Woodturners Blend on Design and Make, because it will get a bit too congested and it will make the channel a bit too over the top with all the videos. So they'll be put on Woodturners Blend. If you want to subscribe to that, I believe I have put a link in the description now. Yes, I have. I use a description template, so I've written all of my links so I don't have to type it out every time. I just copy and paste my links to everything, which is a really good idea actually. But yeah, so if you're interested in Woodturner's Blend and the channel, I'll leave that below, and there's an Instagram for that. Now, I want to talk about my website for a minute. So I started Design and Make website, I can't remember what the name is for it. I'll leave a link as well in the description down below. I started that in the midst of lockdown, so sometime in March or April, or June, I can't remember, or July. So yeah, I started that website, and that's been going alright, but I don't know whether I should be doing more blogs on that, because whilst the engagement's good, it's not as high as I want it to be to quantify making a blog, because writing the blogs takes a long time, because they're a fair bit. I like to write a lot so people can actually really understand what I'm doing. So the first blog I did was about commenting project ideas. The second one was the cherry bowl, my first ever bowl. I did a whole blog about how I got into doing that. If you want to read that, I'll also link to the individual blog down below. I was going to be writing another blog, but would you guys be, I'm reading this off here, would you be interested in seeing a detailed blog to accompany bigger or more challenging projects? That would probably happen every 2 months or so, or maybe every month I'll write a blog to accompany the big projects. So for example, when I say big, it could be this pair of scissors, it could be this size. It doesn't have to be ginormous. It's more about the challenging aspects or the size, sort of the time it took, so it could be big in its scale of time. So for example, the boat I made, that video will be out this week hopefully. No, maybe this week or next week. That was a challenging project. It required a lot of skill in things I don't know that much about, but I learned, I read videos, I watched videos and I can't read videos, watched videos and read lots of articles, and I did it and it worked. It floated, it didn't sink, which was highly amusing if it would have. But yeah, that was good. So I will do a detailed blog if you guys are interested. If not, don't worry about it. It saves me time, but I do like writing them, and I do feel they are quite helpful to accompany some of the projects. Also, let me know if you like this new camera angle. Hopefully you get a much wider view of the workshop, and you can see more things. I don't know what you can see in the background. You can probably see scripts of old videos down there in that magazine rack. Right. I've got loads of 2x4s, and I want to do something with them. If a 2x4 is, so it's 63mm by 38mm, but they're commonly known as 2x4s. I'm going to be doing something with that. I don't know what, because I got a lot. I did the robot, which could technically be classified as a scrap wood project for that, but I don't know what I'm going to do with that. This workshop vlog is going to be in 2 parts, because I've already been going about 8 minutes, and I'm only halfway through now. And I'm also going to be doing a video about using nature to inspire form for turning. So if we look at a leaf, for example, I don't have one handy, surprise, surprise. No, I don't. Leaves and things, nature uses the golden ratio, the rule of thirds, sorry, all of these different aspects and ratios for wood turning. So if you watched Martin Saban-Smith's live stream he did 2 months ago now, I'm not sure, 3 months ago, he talked a lot about the golden ratio. It's quite mathematical in its process, but actually it's not the hardest thing in the world to understand. So it's I can't remember if it's 1.1618 or 1.618. Anyway, it's a ratio that you use to basically make the form of the bowl or anything look more sort of aesthetically pleasing, I guess. And it's a ratio that's been used for years and years and years. And if you look at nature, a lot of things in nature will already have that ratio. And that's why if you see things in nature, they sort of look quite perfect. They look aesthetically pleasing to look at. So I'm interested about doing a video of that. It'll be more of a vlog style video, collecting the leaves, drying them, enlarging them on the photocopier to make them bigger, and then actually taking that leaf and scaling it to the right size and then actually turning that on the lathe. I'm really, really looking forward to doing that though. Woodturner's Blend YouTube spoke about that. The first video will be coming this month, hopefully. I did say this week, but I've got too much on this week. I also am going to be doing a bowl using charcoal. So if you have a look in here, I've got this charcoal. I actually made this charcoal myself. There you go. Out of scrap wood. And I filmed that process. And I'm going to be doing a video about that in a couple of months. Probably be 2 months. No, 2 weeks. 2 weeks. We'll push it to 2 weeks. So yeah, I'm going to be colouring a bowl of charcoal. It'll go through burning the wood, crushing the charcoal to make the paint, turning the bowl. The bowl will just be, I'll turn it in about a minute in terms of the video. Obviously it'll take me a lot longer. The actual process I'll be focusing on is creating the texture and the charcoal look to the bowl. Black & Decker drill. I keep forgetting about this. I finally remembered. Someone's been asking about seeing this drill. Sorry, I've forgotten who commented. It's just simply a Black & Decker drill. I don't know much about it. It's 18 volt. It's a good little drill though. I just use this as well as my Makita drill. I prefer the Makita one just because it's a bit lighter and not quite as bulky, but this one is really useful as well. It's a bit less powered, a bit less powerful, sorry, but then it is a lot cheaper as drills go. I just got given a Makita one and had to replace the battery, which was brilliant. So this is the first part of this vlog. If you want to see the second part, that will also be out at exactly the same time. So head over to the second part now. I'll leave a link over there. Thanks for watching.